I am a crew leader in the tagging and recycling area at Metrolina. 17 years ago, from the first day I walked in there, I didn't think I would be where I am now. And trusted by so many people. I just love working at Metrolina. I love the people there. I love what I do. I love leading people. I love being a mentor, and that's pretty cool. As Metrolina's grown, I've grown with them also.
To me, our employees are like family. You know, we like for them to have a good job and a good work environment and good benefits.
Most Americans want the same thing that I want. A good paying job, benefits, knowing that you can support your family. My future's brighter. My son's future, my husband's future's brighter. And a company that cares about you. And I honestly know that they care about me. And that just does my heart good. Whenever we walk into Walmart and just seeing Metrolina products, knowing that I've had something to do with it, my name is sort of attached to it a little bit, you know, even though it says Metrolina, it gives me a great feeling. And I don't mind telling people, hey, you know, I had something to do with that. It's just a great feeling.